Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, here's up. My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Ipsy unbagging. If you don't know, Ipsy is a $10 subscription service that you get every month that has like sample size to deluxe sample size. Every now and then you get a full-size product in there, and it's $10 a month. I think I already said that, but yeah, and you get a cute bag every month. This is what this month's looks like. It's very neon. My camera is like being weird about it, but it's like neon green and pink, not yellow, and it's like meshy. So super cute bag. I like the little zipper right here. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. First thing you get in here, it says game face, and this says I will conquer, and it has a blank, I'm assuming for like your New Year's resolution or whatever. But yeah, there's that. First thing in here is a chapstick by Preventative Measures 101 After Hours Lip Balm. It's in the shade Passion Fruit, or the scent, I guess. Looks like this. I don't know if this brand is cruelty free or not. I've never heard of them. It says made in the USA, so that's a good sign. Doesn't necessarily mean that they're cruelty free, but it's a good sign. I cannot open this. Twist cap to break seal. There we go. Okay, so it is clear. It does smell like passion fruit. Whoa. Okay. I will have to let you guys know down below if this is cruelty free or not. I always do, so check the info card for that information, because I do only use cruelty free products if you're new to my channel. So yeah. Next in here, this is by Artiste, and it's the I don't know what that says. Oh, it's by Absolute New York. It's called Artiste. It's in the shade VIP. Looks like this. I feel like this is probably full size. It is cruelty free because it says cruelty free right there. I fell at work the other day and broke like all of my nails on this hand. So now it's like extremely hard to open anything, and it's rather annoying me. Also, sorry I'm like studying at a weird angle, but there's stuff all over from the last video I filmed, because I've been super busy like this entire week and will continue to be super busy for the rest of the week. So I like tried to film like 5 videos today because I don't go into work until 4. This is, what day is this? This is Thursday. You'll probably be watching this on like Saturday, Sunday, something. I cannot open this packaging, you guys. I'm just keep talking to distract myself from it, or to distract you from it. I'm just gonna rip it, whatever. Okay. Still. There we go. We're getting somewhere. Okay. Sorry I'm yelling. Looks like this. If you tell me I can't open this. Okay. Oh, there's a little guy right here. We don't like him. It looks like this. I'm not crazy about single shadows. I don't really use them because I just don't reach for them, but it's kind of pretty. I'm not crazy about this. This might be, my sister has a really deep skin tone, and this might look really pretty on her as a highlight, so I might give that to her. Next in here is by Briogeo, and it is the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. That's a mouthful. I do really like Briogeo. We've gotten quite a few products from them. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like minty coconut, which I guess makes sense. I've never tried this. I don't really know that I need my scalp to be, what's this called? Exfoliated, but I'll give it a shot. I do like Briogeo, so that's cool. Next in here, ooh, this is by The Balm. This is a Mary Luminizer, a little sample. I've never tried this, and it's like a, well, I was gonna say it's like a cult favorite highlighter, but mine just fell out, so there's that. Oh, it's magnetized. Okay, so I might just put that in a Z palette because I don't think it's gonna stay in here. Yeah, that's pretty, I guess. Why is this a cult favorite? Maybe I'm judging too soon, but like, what? Why? No. Okay. I'm gonna have to try that on my skin before I'm too judgy, but that's all I'm gonna say. And the last thing in here is by Ciate London, and it is the Fierce Flicks Eyeliner. What shade are you in? I don't see a shade name. I don't see a shade name, so maybe there's only one. I don't know. but here's more packaging that I'm probably not going to be able to get into. Let's try some tweezers. Ciate London is cruelty free, so is the balm, and so is that eyeshadow by Absolute New York. The only thing I don't know about is the chapstick, which I will of course Google and let you guys know. Oh, we're getting somewhere with this packaging. Okay. It's not all the way off, but we're getting there. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that. You guys can see it. It's cute packaging. I like the stars. There's the tip. It is felt tip. Ooh, that is a black and very shiny. I wonder if that dries down matte. Okay, quick recap. Eyeliner, I'm excited about. It's pretty cute. This, I was very excited about. I'm not gonna lie, when I opened it and saw that I got this, I was excited. You saw my general reaction, but swatching it, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, you guys. I like a blinding highlight, and that just didn't seem very blinding to me. This eyeshadow, I'm also not crazy about. I don't really like how it swatches, but it's right there. Like I said, I'm probably just going to give this to my sister and let her use it as a highlight. This I'm excited about. I like the Briogeo shampoos that I've tried in the past, so trying a new one is always exciting. Where is the other product? Didn't we get 5? Am I crazy? Oh, the chapstick. I don't know what I did with it. The chapstick is around here somewhere, which I am also excited to try. So yeah, that is everything I got in my Ipsy Glam bag this month, and I also do really like the bag. So you guys should totally let me know down below what you got in your bag, and if you've tried any of these products, what you thought of them. And yeah, that's everything I have for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe before you go so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads, and hit that little notification bell so you're notified when I upload. Bye guys.